Picture this. You walk into a room. Everyone's staring. You're dressed differently, acting differently, thinking differently. Most people would panic, adjust, conform. But some people, they don't even flinch. They genuinely don't care what anyone thinks. Are they just arrogant, delusional, or have they figured out something the rest of us haven't? Today, we're breaking down the psychology of people who don't care what others think. And by the end, you'll understand how they do it, and how you can too. Quick thing before we dive in. 90% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. If you want more psychology breakdowns like this, hit that subscribe button. It literally takes 2 seconds and helps this channel grow. All right, let's get into it. So what's the secret? What do these people know that you don't? Here's the shocking truth. They've realized something most people never figure out. Everyone is too busy worrying about themselves to actually judge you. Think about it. When was the last time you thought about someone else's embarrassing moment for more than 5 minutes? You can't remember, right? Because you were too busy thinking about your own embarrassing moments. Psychologists call this the spotlight effect. We think everyone's watching us, judging us, remembering our mistakes. But studies show we overestimate how much people notice us by 200 to 300%. People who don't care have internalized this. They know the brutal truth. You're not the main character in anyone else's story. You're barely a side character, and that's actually liberating. But there's more to it than just that realization. These people operate on completely different rules. First, they've killed the approval addiction. Most of us are dopamine junkies for validation. Every like, every compliment, every nod of approval, it's a hit. And like any addiction, you need more and more to feel good. People who don't care, they've cut that cord. They generate their own approval internally. They don't need your applause to feel worthy. Second, they have what's called identity fortification. Their sense of self is like a fortress. Your opinion is an arrow bouncing off the walls. It doesn't penetrate because they already know who they are. Most people have a fluid identity that changes based on who's in the room. These people, same person everywhere. No masks, no performance. Third, they practice something called strategic invisibility. They've accepted that most people won't get them, and they're okay with that. They're not trying to be understood by everyone, just by the few who matter. Now, here's what nobody talks about. Not caring what others think isn't always healthy. There's a difference between healthy autonomy and pathological narcissism. Some people don't care because they have genuine confidence. Others don't care because they lack empathy. The healthiest version is what psychologists call selective indifference. You care about feedback from people who matter, your inner circle, people with expertise, people who've earned your respect. But you're indifferent to judgment from everyone else. You're not dismissing all feedback. You're just being strategic about whose opinions actually get weight. So how do you actually become someone who doesn't care what others think? These aren't tips. These are mental rewrites. Rewire 1, the cringe experiment. Do something mildly embarrassing on purpose. Wear mismatched socks. Ask a dumb question in public. Trip and laugh it off. Each time, you're proving to yourself nothing bad happens. The world doesn't end. People forget in 30 seconds. Here's the key. You need to desensitize yourself to judgment. You can't think your way out of this fear. You have to experience surviving it. Rewire 2, the death test. Sounds dark, but hear me out. Ask yourself, will this matter on my deathbed? Will you care that Karen from work thought your ideal was stupid? Will you regret not posting that thing because you were scared of comments? People who don't care have internalized their mortality. Life's too short to perform for an audience that isn't even paying attention. Rewire 3, the 5-person rule. Make a list of 5 people whose opinions actually matter to you. Parents, best friend, mentor, whoever. Everyone else, they don't make the cut. Their opinions are literally irrelevant. When someone criticizes you, check. Are they on my list? No? Then their opinion is just noise. Delete it from your brain. Rewire 4. Flip the script. When someone judges you, don't think, what's wrong with me? Think, what does their judgment reveal about them? Their criticism is a window into their insecurities, values, and fears. It's data about them, not a verdict about you. This isn't about becoming cold or arrogant. It's about protecting your mental peace from people who haven't earned access to it. Here's the truth. People who don't care what others think aren't special. They're not born with some magical confidence gene. They've simply trained themselves to prioritize their own evaluation over external validation. They've built strong internal value systems, and they've learned to filter feedback strategically. You can do the same. Start small. Pick one area where you've been people-pleasing. Just one, and practice caring a little less. Your peace of mind is on the other side of that decision. If this video helped you, subscribe for more psychology content like this, and drop a comment. What's one thing you wish you cared less about? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching. Stay authentic.